Today we're going to explore prime numbers. A man named Eratosthenes, he's one of the famous old Greek dudes, discovered this method many, many years ago. So, let's look at the rules. The first main rule is a prime number has exactly two factors. This 2 is very important. Those two factors are 1 and itself. Write this rule down. I'll pause the video and write it down. Restart it when you're finished. The second rule is a composite number has more than two factors. Pause the video and write that down. 1 is not prime nor composite. Stop the video, write that down. 2 is the only even prime number. Last time you have to stop the video, write that down. Because 1 is not a prime number, I've shaded it in blue. So we just ignore 1. How many factors does 1 have? Just one. It has to have 2 factors to be prime, so it's not prime. It has to have more than 2 to be composite, so it is not composite. 2 is the only even prime number, so I've shaded it its own special color. So we are now going to count by 2s, and we are going to shade things. We're going to start with 4 because that would be the first number that we would say. So 4, 6, 8, 10. Pause the video and continue to count by 2s until you get to 100. Mark all of those out because they are composite numbers. Welcome back. You can see the adjusted chart now has all the even numbers shaded. The next number we encounter is 3. So now we're going to count by 3s. 3 is prime, so just leave it white. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, and 99. Pause the video and get caught up. Alrighty, this is where our chart stands at present. All the white numbers and 2 are prime so far. But we have 2 more steps. The next step is 5. 5 is prime, so you can indicate that. I'll leave mine white. So we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. You get the idea. Pause the video, mark out all the multiples of 5. Welcome back. One more test. That test is 7. So I'll go through this one. This one's not tricky. There are not very many to mark out. Most of them are already done. So 7 is prime. Mark 14, mark 21, 28, 35, 42. 49 has to be marked. 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, and 98. Now, these are all the numbers that should not be marked. They are all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. You found them in 4 easy steps. This process was created by a man by the name of Eratosthenes.